Hi, this video is going to be a testimonial supercut, a testimonial compilation of some of the results that our clients got after working with us. Here you're going to see the problems that they were facing, the journey that they had to go through, how they overcame those results, and then finally what was their life like. So just go ahead and check out the video and see if there's something that you can find that resonates with your current situation right now, and if we can really help you out with that.
यार मैं बस वही कह रहा था कि मजा आया मुझे।
बहुत ज़्यादा पीस फील कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी।
That was good, मतलब अच्छा लगा यार। मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कभी हिट कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा किसी को, बट ऐसा लगता है कि अब मैं कर दूंगा। अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन आ गई मेरे को करना पड़ेगा ही।
भाई बहुत रिलीफ फील हो रहा है, मन में बहुत काम है मेरे कि एंगर रिलीज करने के बाद।
When we're doing this thing, anger release process, all the anger, that memories of when I was a 4-year-old kid, like when he was beating my mother, I was like hiding under a bed and I don't want them to fight. That came back and brought back a lot of anger memories towards my dad.
So the emotions that I used to feel before, like the intensity was so intense at that point of time. You know, when we are doing that workshop, and I got that fever 103, 104 degrees Celsius.
Sometimes I do wonder what if this thing didn't happen. I'm like, oh god, like, you know, my school friends come up to me and they're like, dude, what are you? What happened?
स्टार्टिंग में बिल्कुल रोना तो आ ही रहा था बहुत मुश्किल से। Then after a while actually I opened up and little bit tears, like पूरा तो नहीं रो पाया मैं भी। I think somewhere the logical mind has come and fucked it up.
हमने visualize किया था that pain that was not there at the end of it.
And like one of these girls was like, I used to like now we are dating. She was in the same batch as me, right? And for her, I didn't even exist. And like now it's like you are a completely different person.
Now I get along with him pretty fine, and with my mom also it's pretty great with my family. And now with my dad, I'm finally able to act like the kid, and like he's my dad, and we have like a pretty like good relationship now.
Now if someone tries to do a power game, you just do a power game. I'm not gonna react to your power game. Either you have to lose it, or you just leave.
मतलब पुरानी फोटोज भी देखता हूँ अपनी, मतलब हो गया है कि अपने आप को थोड़ा सा मतलब कि हाँ ठीक है अभी इतना भी बुरा नहीं, अच्छा है तो।
I had a very mild sensations in my stomach area.
जब से हमने पहला प्रोसेस किया और तब से लेके अब तक ये डिफरेंस तो है कि मैं अपने आप को थोड़ा पसंद करने लग गया हूँ।
Beyond thing वाला जो था, I was peeling all the layers, conditioning that had happened. तो मैं और beyond जा रहा था, and because conditioning बहुत young age पे हो गई, तो I was trying to go more beyond that, and I could just imagine myself, you know, being exactly in the moment.
So once we processed it, after that, like the pattern won't go that easily. I have to still work for it, but it was conscious in my mind.
Okay,
so
you were aware of it now.
Aware of it. So this is one thing that I found, that even if you're aware about something, you can finally begin to change it. Because before it was not in my awareness. So I started changing, and I would find myself doing it. Then I would like come back to it. It was a bit difficult in the start. But once I got hold of it, I finally was able to change my identity to a level where like...
And I was like, मैं सो रहा हूँ, I'm going to sleep, I can't handle this, this is so intense for me, I wasn't able to walk.
So basically your emotions were coming up and that turned into a fever.
Right. And I watched that movie Tare Zameen
Par,
and I
vulnerable
cried
state.
a lot. And I cried that.
So basically you could finally let your emotions out and feel them, which were blocked for years and years.
Starting से जो भी process था, we were feeling little bit of uneasiness. Then afterwards when it got transition, then we went to the sanctuary and everything. I started feeling like chills in my body. जब भी मैं वो feel कर रहा था. Then after coming back फिर वो dance फिर everything, like I'm a lot of energetic right now. Like पता नहीं gym जाने के लिए तैयार हूँ, ऐसा लग रहा है.
But as soon as I started, तो फिर मैं रोक नहीं पाया अपने आप को, पता नहीं क्या हुआ। वो फ्लो में बहता ही गया। फिर फाइनली जब अभी हमने डांस किया इनर चाइल्ड के साथ, एनलाइटनमेंट वाली फील आ रही थी, पता नहीं क्या
ऐसा कुछ रिलीज हो रहा था, स्पेशली थ्रोट और यहाँ से जब मैं थोड़ा ऐसे करके कर रहा था, तो वोकल कॉर्ड की मैं कुछ ऐसा अनलीश कर रहा हूँ, तो सही था।
बहुत किया हुआ, थक गया, पूरा शरीर थक गया, पूरा मतलब आवाज़ भी थक गई थी। और जब बाद में हम मतलब लेट गए हैं तो पूरा मतलब बॉडी में से ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो कुछ निकल रहा है जैसे पूरी में।
This one thing I used to have is like earlier I didn't have a lot of friends, but now I have a lot of friends. Like I get a lot of calls from my friends, bro, how are you doing? So it makes me feel like very good about it, that okay, like something really changed from the core.
A lot of times I feel I'm grounded, and this constant feeling of gratitude, and constant feeling of being full. Instead, when I compare it to earlier, it was constant feeling of lack. So it's like lack versus gratitude.
Right.
And this just expands you and keeps you going. And this just burdens you and, you know, makes you fall into those cycles again and again.
तो जब वो कॉर्ड कट करने वाला हो रहा था ना, तो मेरे को पेट के लाइक लोअर एब्डोमेन में सेंसेशन हो रही थी, लाइक वेल अबव द ग्रोइन, बट थोड़ा स्टमक के नीचे। तो वो थोड़ा मतलब अच्छे सेंस में वियर्ड लग रहा था कि वहां से कुछ ना ऐसे रिलीज हो रहा है।
I don't know what happened, but जैसे ही मैंने मतलब मेरा मदर टंग में बात करना स्टार्ट किया, everything started, डैम खुल गया basically. I started मतलब uncontrollable था मेरे लिए तो for a point of time.
And after that, yes, I think felt a little bit of light and everything, like which I could never say it in this all years. Like वो मैं बता पा रहा हूँ, at least like not like in front of them, but at least confronting that. That's one of the best things that I liked in this.
So then we did that process, constellation and stuff, we did that, and then we released that anger, and finally I was able to like release all that anger towards my dad, and I was finally able to like somehow accept and see him for like my dad and not somehow.
And I wasn't being able to receive compliments.
Right.
And whenever someone gave me compliment that you are looking so cute, you are looking like this, you are this, you have this thing, and I was like, I just think like that, okay, this person is making fun of me, or he is just he is just pulling my leg. But now fast forward to like 4-5 years, whenever someone gave me compliment, I receive it wholeheartedly.
Right.
तो मेरे को मतलब लगा थोड़ा मतलब कुछ रिलीजिंग सा, लाइक फ्रॉम द चेस्ट एंड राइट साइड, थोड़ा यहाँ से लाइक जैसा लगा।
I see myself procrastinating, I can become aware of that, and I do it. And even now, like I don't procrastinate.
Workshop, I used to process my emotions a lot. Like I used to feel my emotions a lot rather than just running from them.
Running away from them.
Yeah, running away from them. I left that thing out completely.
तो इसमें जो भी था वो बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट थे, कई इंसिडेंट याद आते जा रहे थे, बहुत सारे।
रियलाइज की जो पहले का था लाइक उसकी हीलिंग है, मतलब काफी हो गई है। बस मुझे पर्सनली अगर मैं बोलूँ, नर्चरिंग पे ध्यान दे रहा है, नर्चरिंग एफर्मेशंस एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स।
बहुत सारे मेमोरीज आए एक्चुअली, मैंने जितना सोचा नहीं था उतनी मेमोरीज आ गई, and I think I kind of released जितना भी इमोशनल था।
Some days you might find yourself going into old patterns, but the difference is now I have realized कि okay, this is happening. It's not something earlier I couldn't even identify.
This is like, if you call like the true personal development, if you have to get into it, because the thing I was searching for before, this is the real answer for that. Because most of the people, we are searching for happiness in order to feel complete about ourselves. That's why we run behind girls, we run behind money, we run behind all these aspects of life that I finally want to achieve this thing in order to feel complete.
And welcome back. If you want to get the same results for yourself and you want to know if Highworth Cycle is the right fit for you, you can apply to be a part of the program. All you have to do is click on the button below. You'll be redirected to a page where you can schedule a call with us. It's going to be a completely free 45-minute to a 60-minute call where we're going to see what are the problems that you're facing right now. What are the deepest subconscious patterns that are making you feel these kind of problems, and what were the experiences that are still affecting you right now. And then we're going to design a step-by-step system. We're going to tell you about it on how you can get out of that. Right in the call, you're going to be getting some amazing breakthroughs. So if you want to experience that, just go down below, click on the link in the description, schedule a free call with us. I can't wait to talk to you.